Is Buzzsprout the podcasting platform you've been searching for, or just another fish in the crowded audio sea? Let's dive into Buzzsprout, examining its features, pricing, and how it stacks up for both podcasting newbies and seasoned pros. First up, the features. Buzzsprout offers all the basics, including episode hosting, automatic podcast distribution to major platforms like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts, and a customizable podcast website. They also bring the goods with robust analytics, letting you track downloads, listener demographics, and episode performance. Next, let's talk pricing. Buzzsprout's plans are straightforward, offering tiered storage and upload limits, which range from free to paid options depending on your needs for storage and uploads. This is a plus as the pricing structure is simple and easy to understand. User experience is also important. Buzzsprout's interface is exceptionally user-friendly. The upload process is intuitive, episode editing is simple, and the distribution integration tools are effective. This makes it a great option, especially for beginners or those seeking a hassle-free podcasting workflow. So, is Buzzsprout any good? Overall, Buzzsprout is a solid choice, particularly for those valuing simplicity and ease of use. While some platforms offer more advanced features, Buzzsprout excels in providing a user-friendly experience without breaking the bank. Is Buzzsprout the only option on the market? No, however, it is an excellent option, and it's worth considering if you are after user-friendly accessibility.